I'm standing at our tiny house with Zippy watching the kids play down by the garden. And it is the cutest thing ever, babe. I wish you were here right now, and I wanted to call you, but I figured I'd just do a voice message instead because I don't want to text this. But I'm so happy, and I love our life here, and I'm excited to see you for lunch. Okay, love you. Bye.
This year has been absolute chaos, and I'm losing all my hair, and somehow I still have more hair than money. We have spent all we have on our living space and the property and getting utilities here, and there's no room where we live to put my office in there, so I am currently set up with an extension cord in our storage shed that may eventually become my actual office, but we can't afford to insulate it right now. And this is not a cry for help. I'm still making money. My family is doing really well. And this whole place is just an investment in our future. It's just at the moment we're having to dial things back. So my projects lately are anything I can do that doesn't cost any money. So I built that porch awning over our front door to keep the rain off of our doorstep. That was free with just product I found on the land. The tin was actually stripped off of the side of that mobile home up there. And the focus of this video is these trails and steps I'm building all throughout the property, because in this December and January rain, I'm really tired of slipping down the hill every time I want to go anywhere. So we have been blading out some trails by hand and setting in some rock staircases that will make everything just more accessible, especially in the spring. Once it comes time to garden, I don't want to have to be hauling things up through the mud. I want to be able to have designated pathways that my kids and my wife can walk down to get to the garden. A lot of the pathways we're building out here are actually just deer trails that I'm expanding. So this one here has actually been walked on over and over again by the deer and kind of already had a trail there. And I'm just sort of carving it out a little bit wider so that we can walk on it comfortably. The stairs are being made out of stone off of the land. We're kind of digging them up all over the place. They're kind of just scattered all throughout the hill, and that pile down at the bottom of the hill is from when they installed the septic system, so I have a bunch of rocks I can grab down there. The trick with them is just digging them down so that they kind of angle into the hillside. But as they settle, and if they sort of shift around a little bit, it doesn't matter too much. They don't have to look precise. Oh no! You okay?
Rocks.
Where were you putting those?
I think I'm by the stairs.
Okay, you still can.
I fall.
These are just a rough stone pathway that's supposed to look like it's been there a really long time and feel sort of natural. Fill in behind the rock. So I don't care if these rocks sort of settle and move over time. It just creates a good, easy pathway that as plants grow in around it, I'll always have a designated spot to kind of step down the stones through the hill. So close. Thank you.
There's also a walking path and more stairs and grass.
Let's go down the stairs then. We connected up to the blueberry trail that doesn't have blueberries yet, but all right. That is one staircase done. I have at least like 3 other spots I'm gonna make something like this, so we better keep working. But Cassie just made cinnamon rolls, so it is time for a break.
Cinnamon rolls. And these are special rocks.
Special rocks?
And I also got one money. And this from Mama. And a bead.
I think the trail should come down and then go right here to that trail. What do you think?
That's so big.
But then we can have the stairs that go down to where you're at. What do you think?
It's kind of funny. Then I can just go like this.
Yeah. Nice. My daughter lost her gloves. If you would like to send my daughter some gloves, there's a P.O. box in the description. Hey kiddo, can you carry these sticks over to the other sticks?
Whoa, I can hold this stick.
Yeah, you can.
This one. Whoa. Run, run, run.
Whoa.
Lizzie.
We're on the other side of the street.
Yeah. It is sort of rainbow colors.
Yeah,
That's really pretty.
you can use it.
You want me to use it somewhere?
Yeah.
How about you put it up here somewhere on the wall, on the edge? Or put it right here where you can see it? Put it in there and step it into the mud.
Found another good rock.
Awesome. The trails and the rock also help edge the planting areas. We're going to be planting fruit and flowers all over the hillside, and allowing for the pathways to go through them sort of divides those up into sections. And so it'll make maintaining our gardening areas and our flower beds easier, because we'll be able to walk through the whole area without having to trample what we're growing. And that pretty much completes all the trails that I want to make from our little living space down to the garden, and it creates a full loop, almost a figure eight. And so for now, I'm calling those good, and we'll build trails on the other side of the hill later. You've made it to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I really enjoy doing all this work out here, and I'm happy you guys are here to watch me document it. You can comment anything you want below, ask me any questions, or criticize this video any way you want. If you want to contact me or even send me something, my website and P.O. Box are in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to follow along. We'll see you in the next video.